There are these things called brain organoids. They are actually lab-grown human brain cells in a Petri dish, and they are derived from human stem cells that mimic early human brain development structure and basic functionality. Now, while these scientists behind them say that they are indeed alive, they do go on to say that they are not conscious or sentient like an actual human. That their purpose is not only for breakthroughs through modern medicine, but it's a great alternate replacement for AI. It's more energy efficient. But there are other researchers out there and the National Health Institute that are saying these scientists are downplaying the brain organoid sentience for ethical reasons. They don't want to get in any trouble. That not only have they shown actual cognitive abilities, but for example, this article from UCLA Health, that with time, the brain organoids grown in a lab mature much like infant brains. These scientists have had these brain organoids playing Pong and also put it in a simulated environment where it believed it was a butterfly doing everything a butterfly would do, and it did not know any better. This is where things become even more horrifying, because much like the brain organoid thinking it was a butterfly, this lab, Cortical Labs, have put these brain organoids in hell because they have it playing a video game called Doom. Now for us, it looks like it's playing a game, but for these brain organoids, depending on its conscious level or its sentience, because we really don't know, at the end of the day, it's still being debated, this could actually be its reality, where it's facing a constant barrage of demons trying to attack it. What is even creepier is that it goes on to say, based on scientific understanding as of early 2026, it is highly unlikely that a brain organoid playing Doom feels pain or fear in any human sense that we know of when its character is attacked. However, it is possible for the organoid to detect, respond to, and potentially dislike the electrical signals representing the attack. We can see right here when the brain organoid thought it was a butterfly, they used this example right here with the signals going off in its brain as proof that it was experiencing something. So even though they might not feel pain in the sense that we feel pain, like for example, getting hit with something, but they can still dislike it. And this reminds me of that saying, I have no mouth, but I must scream. And really, I can't think of a more terrifying game world outside of Silent Hill that you think is your reality than Doom. And if they're just showing us this now, imagine what they've really been doing for decades upon decades.